Hello everyone. This video I will be covering the basic introduction to Python programming. The first step for starting Python programming is to get the Python interpreter on our machine. For that, we had to visit the website www.python.org. From this, we can download the version for Windows, which is Python 3.6.4. which is the version that I have downloaded. In this website, there are many resources for Python, including documentation as well as success stories, news events, etc. So we can see the first Python application, which is the Hello World application. For that, we will be first using the idle Python ID. For that, we will take the idle Python ID. And this is the first screen that will come when we take the idle IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. Help is a function which we can use to get help regarding the various keywords and functions the Python uses. Here we can see a help for print function, which is the function that we will be using to print hello world. So print and the help for print is shown. Okay, now we can move on to our first Python application using this idle ID. So first is print, then we will type hello world. This is all that is required to do an hello world application using Python. This is why Python is becoming very popular nowadays. It is a very simple language and easy to learn. Python nowadays is actually taught in majority of our technical institutions. Now the output is shown, the hello world. Similarly, we can print numbers also using the same function. For that, instead of passing the string, we will be passing a number. That is the number 123 or 123 and say, then again run the module, then we get the output 123 or 123. So this is our first Python program using the idle IDE. Okay, next section we shall see how to do Python programming using the .NET IDE, which is Visual Studio. For that, first we have to download the Visual Studio Community Edition. It is available at this website, which is www.visualstudio.com/vs/community. This is a free download. After downloading the Visual Studio installer, we can later add the Python support for the Visual Studio 2D. Okay, so this is the Visual Studio that I have downloaded, to which the Python tooling support is already added. So here we can see that when I take the new project, Python is already visible. When we choose Python application, I can name the Python application my first Python app. Then I click OK. Then it takes some time for the scaffolding to take place. Then after this, the project, the Python project is generated by Visual Studio from the template. And this is the .py file where we will be writing the code that we had already written in the ideal IDE, which is print hello world. Now we click the start and the Visual Studio runs the Python program, and the output of the program is shown in the command prompt, that is hello world. So in this video I have mainly introduced the Python programming language on how to easily do programming using the Python programming language.